Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you hands-on insights into the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we're talking about the best wireless mouse you can get your hands on, the TECKNET wireless mouse Jiggler. This is not just a mouse, it's a game-changing, ergonomic, rechargeable, silent-click productivity beast. So, if you've been looking for something that's quiet, fast, feature-packed, and actually keeps your screen from locking, keep watching. Let's start with what makes this mouse stand out. The 2-in-1 built-in mouse Jiggler. Most of us working from home or in IT roles know how annoying it is when your system goes idle. This mouse solves that. Simply hold down the DPI button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and it activates Jiggler mode. The cursor moves subtly to keep your system awake. No external software, no sketchy tools. It's all built right into the hardware. It's that easy. Now let's talk power. This mouse is USB-C rechargeable and features a high-capacity 800 mAh battery. TECKNET claims it charges up to 3x faster than standard rechargeable mice. 2 hours of charging gets you up to 90 days of use. That's practically an entire quarter without needing to top up. No batteries, no interruptions, just reliable performance. Inside the box, you get both a USB-A and USB-C adapter, which means whether you're using a MacBook with only USB-C ports or a standard PC tower, this mouse will just work, no drivers required. Plus, with a wireless range of up to 15 meters or 33 feet, you can even run presentations or control media across the room. Comfort is another area where this mouse shines. It's designed with a full-size ergonomic build, and the grip feels secure thanks to its soft rubberized sides. It fits medium to large hands perfectly, and the curvature supports your palm naturally. TECKNET claims it reduces wrist strain by up to 35%, which makes it perfect for long work sessions or late-night editing marathons. Let's not forget, this is a silent mouse. The click noise is reduced by over 90%, making it ideal for shared offices, libraries, or nighttime use. You get tactile feedback without the usual, clicky, sound that can drive people crazy. Whether you're clicking through spreadsheets or gaming at night, nobody's going to notice, except you. Now, for the power users out there, this mouse includes 6 DPI levels, from 1000 all the way up to 6400. Whether you need pixel-perfect precision for Photoshop or ultra-fast movement for gaming, you're covered. Switching DPI is just a click away. And lastly, TECKNET offers lifetime support on this product. All you need to do is register it. That's a bold statement of quality and confidence from the manufacturer, and a nice reassurance for your investment. To sum it up, if you're looking for a full-size ergonomic wireless mouse that's rechargeable, silent, and comes with a built-in Jiggler, this is it. It's one of those rare devices that ticks every box: comfort, battery life, silent operation, high DPI, and smart features. The TECKNET wireless mouse Jiggler is more than just a mouse. It's a tool designed for modern professionals. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the latest tech. Catch you in the next one.